I just want to take a quick step back because I think it's super important. And you talked about you're getting a call from the loved one or the person that was involved in the accident themselves, typically after they're home and after the accident has already occurred. So, what would your advice be on the scene of the accident, assuming that they're, not unconscious? What would some advice be to motorcyclists that have been in an accident with a vehicle while on scene
So,
before they call you?
so the question of what to do at the scene depends on your capacity, depends on whether you're conscious or not, whether you're mobile or not. But if you are riding with people and they witness the accident, or there's witnesses at the scene that you can remember, it is crucially important to get as many names of the people who witnessed the accident or the collision as possible. And here's why it's so important is that sometimes people just don't stick around. Uh, there, there's so many instances of really terrible collisions happening where somebody is just not the people that witness it don't seem to want to be bothered by whether they should stick around or not. Uh, and it's those witnesses that become crucial for our motorcycle riders. And here's why they're crucial. They can say, oh, yeah, their light was green because the person who's making that left hand turn in front of or coming out of a side street, they're going to lie about what happened. They're going to try to say, oh, I heard him rev the motorcycle, or I saw him speed up, or whatever it is, whatever nonsense they're going to try to come up with. So as many witnesses who actually saw it from different perspectives, um, have your friends take as many photos as possible as to where the collision occurred, where the debris fields went, because now police are now, unless it's a fatality, they're hardly even showing up to motorcycle cases anymore. Any motorcycle collisions, I mean. And so as a result, you almost have to do your own forensic work, whether it's with your friends taking photos or finding out in local shops or houses, Ring doorbell cameras, uh, cameras for security on exterior buildings, getting at least an idea of what is around there. And if you haven't hired a lawyer yet, to try and go get those videos secured as soon as you can, because they literally can make or break a case, and they exist, but a lot of them only stay on in the server for X amount of days. And so if you don't hire us soon enough, I mean, it could be if you hire us a few months later, that all that video footage could all just be gone, and the police may not even ask because the bottom line is, I have support police officers and first responders, but they do tend to have a bias against riders. And whether it's, I think it's more an unconscious bias, but it's there. And if they think they know what's happened, they're going to come up with a determination. And if you don't have those witnesses to rebut that, it can be a real problem.